How to add a neon glow effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, import your video clip into the timeline where you want to apply the neon glow effect. Next, import your neon glow images. For best result, use PNG files with transparent backgrounds. You can easily find neon glow images online. Once imported, drag them onto your video track above your main clip in the timeline. Now, select a neon glow image and use the inspector panel to adjust its position and size so it fits exactly where you want the glow effect to appear. Then, change the composite mode of the neon image to add or screen. This will remove any black background and allow the glow to blend naturally with your video. If the glow looks too intense, you can reduce the opacity to make it more subtle or realistic. To make the glow appear at specific moments or move across the screen, use keyframes to animate its position, scale, or opacity over time. Once everything looks the way you want, go ahead and render your video to see the final result with the neon glow perfectly integrated. And that's it. Now you know how to add a neon glow effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.